Buckle up, everybody. Here we go. Calling all radio amateurs for the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net. Tonight's net control is Kevin, personal call sign November 3, Alpha Bravo Charlie. Operating as WX4RNK, and I'm located tonight at the Bonsack area of Roanoke County, and this is a directed net. All stations should direct your calls to net control. If any station has emergency or priority traffic to pass, please call WX4RNK. This net is intended to encourage participation in SKYWARN Severe Weather Spotting activity and provide spotters with useful information on SKYWARN spotting and training tools, as well as events and severe weather potentials. And this regular net meets each Wednesday at 9 p.m. local time on two linked repeater systems in Southwestern and Central Virginia and Southeastern West Virginia. And you can also join us on Echolink via KF4YLM-R. The weekly net will be canceled in the event of local severe weather, during which a SKYWARN spotter net is operating under active or standby mode. We will now take check-ins from any Blacksburg WFO employee station. Hearing none, let's take a look at our bulletins here. The hyperactive tropical season that we've had continues. Hurricane Delta made the 10th named system making landfall in the United States, breaking the old record, which was set back in 1916. That was 9 storms. Also, there were 10 storms that formed in the Atlantic in September, which is the greatest number on record for the month of September, breaking the old record, which was set back in 2010, and that number was 8. With our forecast, sunshine tomorrow, 77, clouds moving in, maybe some showers on Friday and Friday night. Let's keep our fingers crossed that that doesn't happen, but mainly between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. Fridays where we're going to see that. Beautiful for the weekend. It's going to be nice. Daytime highs mid-60s, overnight lows around 40, and spotter activation is not expected at this time. Facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN. That is the new official online home for the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net. This Facebook page will be updated weekly with links discussed on the net, as well as audio of the actual net every week. Page that does not have the graphic at the top in the yellow letters that say that this page is for the amateur radio Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, you are on the wrong page. You follow the one follow the link to Facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN, and we'll update this thing regularly, and we'll make sure that we have all of the stuff that you need, the links we discussed, so you don't have to write them down on the Blacksburg SKYWARN Facebook page. Again, that's Facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN, all one word. Make sure you like the page. The Blacksburg SKYWARN office, or the Blacksburg National Weather Service office, is going to have a virtual open house on Facebook. It's going to be live this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 11:30. And if you want all the information on how you can participate and see all of the goings-on and the virtual tour and all that good stuff of the National Weather Service office at Blacksburg, head over to Facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN. The link is there. It will describe all of the things that you need to know, and you can participate this Saturday. Again, the virtual open house with the Blacksburg National Weather Service office. And a quick note of appreciation for your eyes on the ground. You help forecasters pass along life-saving information during weather emergencies such as flash flooding, tornadoes, hurricanes, severe storms, as well as post-storm damage. We strongly encourage your safe participation, meaning never put yourself or your family in danger while gathering information. Only gather and share information when it is safe to do so. And you can submit your storm report directly to the Blacksburg forecast office if you come across one. You don't have to be an official weather spotter. All you have to do is go to weather.gov/RNK, and you can find the Submit a Storm Report button in the middle lower portion of the page, and you can submit it directly to the forecast office there. Your help would be appreciated. If your local group has bulletins for this net, you can send them to N3ABC@ARRL.net, and we will see that they're added. This is the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net from WX4RNK. Net control will now take check-ins. Regular check-in stations, you are requested to give your call sign slowly and phonetically, followed by your name, city or county, current temperature and sky conditions, and all stations in range, regardless of spotter training experience, are welcome. And we're going to start off tonight with stations with the first letter of the suffix of your call sign, the letters after the number beginning Alpha through Hotel, A through H. If you'd like to participate in the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, please call WX4RNK.
WX4RNK. Check in Kilo Oscar 4, Charlie Oscar Papa, Clay in Ceres, Virginia, Blaine County. Have a temperature of 50 degrees, 50 degrees, clear skies.
WX4RNK. This is W4FLX Whiskey 4 Fox Lima X-Ray Frank, south of Rocky Mount, Franklin County. Didn't know what that was on the radio. 61.5 degrees. Pressure is 30.10 and steady. No wind. They lost it. And clear skies. W4FLX back.
WX4RNK. This is Kilo 4, Bravo, India Uniform. Bobby, East Roanoke City. Temperature 63 degrees. Wind is calm. Skies are clear. WX4RNK. Please check in November 7, Delta Whiskey Mike. The name is Dave. I'm located in Eagle Rock, Virginia. Have a temperature of 51.8 degrees and clear skies. WX4RNK. This is Kilo Echo 8, Echo Kilo, Larry in Lewisburg, Greenbrier County, West Virginia, where it's currently clear, calm, and a little chilly on the deck at 52, advising 52 degrees.
All right, let's take a quick breather here and recognize these first 5 stations. First up, we've got Clay, Kilo Oscar 4, Charlie Oscar Papa in Ceres, Virginia, reporting 50 and clear skies. Howdy, Clay. Frank, thanks for the heads up on my mic being so hot. I did have it way too close to my mouth. Sorry about that, everybody. Whiskey 4, Fox Lima X-Ray, Frank, south of Rocky Mount in Franklin County, reporting 61.5, pressure 30.10. Steady and no wind with clear skies. Thank you there, Frank. Bobby, be careful out driving around tonight. Kilo 4, Bravo India Uniform, East Roanoke City, reporting 63, calm winds and clear skies. Thank you there, Bobby. Got Dave, November 7, Delta Whiskey Mike in Eagle Rock, Virginia, 51.8 and clear skies. And finally, Larry out on his deck in Lewisburg, Kilo Echo 8, Echo Kilo, reporting clear, calm, a bit chilly at 52. And thanks for checking in, Larry, and everybody in that there first group. Let's move on down the alphabet. India through November, I through N. If you'd like to participate in the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, please call WX4RNK.
WX4RNK.
Kilo Charlie 4, November Whiskey William Buena Vista, clear skies and 53 degrees.
WX4RNK. This is Kilo Mike 4, November Sierra Echo, Debbie in Roanoke City. The temperature is 59 degrees, clear skies and calm winds.
WX4 RNK. Please check in Kilo November 4, Mike Kilo X-ray, James in Blacksburg. Current temperature of 51.8. Clear skies and calm winds. Good evening, Kevin.
All right, we got a trio of stations. Let's recognize Willie in Buena Vista, Kilo Charlie 4 November Whiskey Whiskey, reporting clear in 53. Debbie in Roanoke City, Kilo Mike 4 November Sierra Echo, 59, clear and calm. And James in Blacksburg, Kilo November 4 Mike Kilo X-ray, reporting 51.8, clear and calm as well. Thank you, James, Debbie, and Willie. Moving on down the alphabet, Oscar through Tango, O through T. If you'd like to participate in the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, please call WX4RNK, unkey, make sure you're not doubling with somebody, and then come back with your name, location, city or town, sky conditions, and temperature. If you'd like to participate and your suffix of your call sign is O through T, please call WX4RNK.
WX4RNK. This is Whiskey 4, Sierra Papa Juliet. The name is Dwight in Covington, Allegheny County, Virginia, where we have clear skies, 56 degrees, dew point 49, relative humidity 78%, wind is calm, the barometer is 29.84 and steady. Thanks a bunch, Kevin.
UX4RNK. This is Kilo November 4, Quebec Mike November. Jason in McCoy, Montgomery County, Virginia. 50 degrees, clear skies and calm winds. Good evening, Kevin.
Whiskey X4, Romeo November Kilo. This is Kilo 1, Sierra Alpha, slant XYL.
Handle is Dina in Glenver. Current temperature is 4 degrees. Wind is 6 miles per hour. The humidity is 48%. The barometer reads 30.06, and the cloud cover is 10%.
RNK is KM4 TUK Kilo Mike 4 Tango Uniform Kilo Mark Winston-Salem, 56 degrees and clear. X4RNK. Whiskey 4 Oscar Yankee. Jeff here in Whitfield. We're 53 degrees and clear skies, and good evening, Kevin.
Howdy, everybody. Let's take a quick pause here and recognize this group of stations. First up, we have Whiskey 4 Sierra Papa Juliet. Dwight, Covington, Allegheny County, Virginia, reporting clear, 56, dew point 49. At 78%, calm winds and the barometer 29.84 and steady. Dwight, good to hear you, and thank you so much. Jason, thank you. Kilo November 4, Quebec Mike November. McCoy, Virginia, Montgomery County 50, clear and calm. Thank you, Jason. Dina, XYL of Kilo 1 Sierra Alpha in Glenver. 49, you got the low now, Dina. Wind 6 miles per hour, humidity at 48, barometer 30.06, and cloud cover. Dina, thank you. Mark, Mike 4, Tango Uniform Kilo in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, reporting clear in 56. And finally, we have Jeff. Good to hear you, Jeff. Whiskey 4, Oscar Yankee in Whiteville. 54 and clear skies. Let's move on down the alphabet, see how many stations we can get here. Uniform through Zulu, U through Z. If you'd like to participate in the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, please call WX4RNK.
WX4RNK. From November 4, Victor Lima in 4VL, Junior in Galax, 57 degrees, clear skies. Blessings to all. WX4RNK. Please copy Kilo Foxtrot 4, Yankee Lima Mike. Josh, QT tonight, Kevin is in Craig County. Estimating temperature at 47 degrees. Clear skies, no wind. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we picked up a couple veterans there. Let's talk about Junior, November 4, Victor Lima. Recognize you, Junior, in Galax, 57 in clear skies. Thank you, sir. And Josh, good to hear you. Craig County, Kilo Fox 4, Yankee Lima Mike. Shame on you, Josh, estimating and taking the low temperature away from Dina. You've got it estimating 47, clear skies, and no wind. Let's open this up to the entire alphabet. Alpha through Zulu. If you'd like to participate in tonight's Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, please call WX4RNK.
RNK. Here is November 3, Mike Delta Charlie, Michael, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Forsyth County, clear skies, 58 degrees.
Michael, you flew by with that one. I've got N3MDC in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, clear. Did you say 5.8 or 6.8? N3MDC.
Michael here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. That's correct. Clear skies, 58 degrees. That is correct there, Kevin.
Michael, I'm hearing P8 degrees. 6 or 5?
58 degrees. Kevin, 58 degrees.
Okay, 50 and 60 sound so much the same on this radio, so I'm just going to go with 5.8 degrees. 5.8 in Winston-Salem. Anybody else, if you want to participate in the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, please call WX4RNK.
WX4RNK. This is Whiskey 8 Sugar United November, Wayne, Roanoke County, and we're at 56 degrees and clear skies, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, good to hear you.
K4TNC, named Roger in Thomasville, North Carolina, got 60 degrees. Full, see all the stars.
All right, let's go back to that last station. I didn't get your call sign. I heard you were in North Carolina. Could you give me your call sign, please, phonetically, your name and location one more time?
November, Charlie. I'm in Thomasville, North Carolina, and it was 60 degrees, and all the stars were shining beautiful tonight.
Yeah, I got you there, Roger. Kilo 4, Tango, November, Charlie. Roger in Thomasville, North Carolina. I got all those little tiny suns shining. Mars looks fantastic. If you look up in the sky, Mars looks absolutely amazing. It's like 36 million miles. Well, it was last night. It's moving away now, but it's still very, very close. It looks nice. Reporting 60 degrees and very clear skies. Thank you so much, Roger. One more call. Alpha through Zulu. Anybody that would like to participate, please call WX4RNK.
WX4RNK. Kilo Mike 4, Lima Mike Golf, Gary, Roanoke City. I've got 59 degrees. Clear skies.
All right, finally we picked up Bobby. Gary. Kilo Mike 4, Lima Mike Golf, Gary in Roanoke City, reporting 59 and clear skies. I was thinking of Bobby because I was trying to find the high tonight, which is going to, Bobby's going to run away with, reporting 63 at his location. And low tonight, Josh over in Craig County, reporting estimated 47. So that's what we've got. Let's wrap up the check-in portion. 19 stations checking in. We will now take one more look at our bulletins. We've had a very active tropical season. It continues. Hurricane Delta was the 10th named system making landfall in the United States, breaking the old record of 9 set in 1916. There were 10 storms that formed in the Atlantic in September. That is the greatest number on record for that month. The old record was set back in 2010. That number was 8. September was very active, just like, was it July? Yeah, July was a hot month for us. We broke a record for temperatures that reached 90 or above, if I recall. It was in July this year. Sunny tomorrow, beautiful day. Rain on Friday, then Saturday and Sunday look amazing daytime temps. On Saturday and Sunday, you're looking at around 65-ish, around 40 in the overnight lows. Tomorrow, probably going to be our warmest day for the next few. Daytime high going to reach around 77. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. There is a new official online social media page for the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net, facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN. All one word, Blacksburg SKYWARN. If you search Blacksburg SKYWARN, you might find the old page. Just make sure you come across the one that has the yellow letters across the top that basically says that it is for the amateur radio Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net. Again, that's facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN. We're going to be updating that with the links that we discuss on the net, also the audio from the net, so you can hear how your radio was performing any particular week. Again, that's facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN. And the Blacksburg National Weather Service office is going to be hosting a virtual open house because of COVID. They cannot do it in person, so if you'd like to participate, you can through Facebook Live this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 11:30. And more information about that with links and all those goodies and all the things that are going to be going on, you can find on the SKYWARN Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Blacksburg SKYWARN. And we appreciate you so much for participating in the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net every single week. We encourage your safe participation. Don't ever put yourself in danger or your family when gathering information. Just do it when it is safe to do so. You do not have to be an official weather spotter to assist should you spot severe weather and a net is not in operation. You can submit your report directly to the Blacksburg Forecast Office by using the Submit a Storm Report button on the National Weather Service Blacksburg homepage. It's at weather.gov/RNK, and you can look for the green icon near the lower middle portion of the page labeled Submit a Storm Report. If your local group has bulletins for this net, you can send them to November 3 Alpha Bravo Charlie N3 ABC at ARRL.net, and we will see that they're at it. This is the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net from WX4RNK. And we have another one in the books that covers everything, and we will conclude the Blacksburg SKYWARN Weekly Net. Thanks to everyone who participated. If you'd like more information about the Blacksburg SKYWARN program, it can be found on the web at weather.rnk/SKYWARN. All stations, please stand by while the net repeater systems are unlinked. This is WX4RNK.